Dear students, today we will discuss electric field intensity due to plane charge sheet. For this, let's draw the diagram. Consider this is a plane charge sheet. That it is positively charged and having charge density uniform throughout. That its charge density is sigma, and we wish to calculate the electric field intensity at a distance smaller from the sheet. We want to find the electric field at point P. For this, we have to draw a Gaussian surface enclosing point P. Let us consider a cylindrical Gaussian surface. This is a Gaussian surface. Gaussian surface means a hypothetical surface, closed surface. Let at point P, that is at plane end of this cylindrical Gaussian surface, electric field is E. Since sheet is positively charged, therefore electric field at P will be outward. Let us consider a small area element ds, area vector. Let it is ds. Here electric field intensity E and area vector ds are parallel to each other. This is first surface. Second surface, let it is curved surface of cylinder. At curved surface, area vector upward ds upward, and electric field direction of E is angle between area vector and electric field 90 degree. Means for curved surface, electric field intensity E and area vector ds makes an angle 90 degree. This is not the part of this diagram. For understanding only, we draw it. For curved surface, there is no flux contribution due to curved surface. Third one, second surface. Third one, positive charge, electric field outward, area vector ds again outward. Now total flux through the Gaussian surface will be equal to E ds, E dot ds first surface, phi E equal to E dot ds first surface plus E dot ds second surface, that is curved surface area, plus third E dot ds due to third surface, another end Now flux total flux contribution due to this Gaussian surface, इस Gaussian surface के कारण जो total flux contribution होगा वो इसके सम के इक्वल होगा. इसका सम E ds cos 0 first surface plus second surface E ds cos 90. कर्व्ड सरफेस के लिए जो एरिया वेक्टर होगा वो आउटवर्ड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एक्स एक्सिस के अलोंग मींस अलोंग हॉरिजॉन्टल, एरिया वेक्टर अलोंग वर्टिकल, दोनों के बीच का एंगल 90 डिग्री. तो बीइंग cos 90 दिस सेकंड टर्म विल बी 0 प्लस E dot ds cos 0 cos 0. Total flux phi E equal to 2 E ds. 2 times E ds cos 0 1 E ds cos 0 1 E ds 2 E ds. Now if entire area of this Gaussian surface is A, then 2E for whole surface, that it is E A. It is equation 1. If we apply Gauss law, then we have to consider total charge enclosed by the Gaussian surface. Let sigma be the surface charge density. Then surface charge density means sigma is the charge enclosed or charge is stored in a sheet per unit area. It is defined as surface charge density, charge per unit surface area. Now phi E equal to Q by epsilon naught. Q is the charge sigma into A area, ये हो गया sigma into A surface area upon epsilon naught. Equation 2. These two equations gives the flux through the same surface. Therefore, equating these two, equation 1 equal to equation 2, we have 2EA equal to sigma A by epsilon naught. A cancel out. Now E equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. This is the electric field intensity at P due to surface charge due to plane charge sheet having charge density sigma. One thing must be remembered here, that electric field due to plane charge sheet is independent from the distance, or that is it is independent between the separation of sheet and point of observation. Direction, since the considered sheet was positively charged, therefore its direction will be normally outward. If we have to consider a negative charge surface, then electric field will be normally inward.